Welcome to another Hoop Tech How-To. Today we will be showing you how to install and use the ICTCS 1 clamping system. This system has three components: the chassis, the tubular adapter arms, and the three-piece window set. The silver top is for most applications, and the yellow top is for more delicate materials. There are 6 different window sizes available for this system. This allows you to embroider on anything from backpacks to the back and side of hats. The ICTCS is compatible with these industrial embroidery machines. However, it is not compatible with the Brother PR and Babylock machines, Melco, Janome, or the Ricoma EM1010. Before installing your clamp, always make sure to turn your machine on first. Now that your machine is on, install the tubular arms that came with your machine. Once the tubular arms are attached to your machine, attach the tubular adapter arms to your chassis. Now you're ready to install your clamping system on your machine. This will slide into the tubular arms just like a plastic hoop. To install your window, unscrew the black knob on the chassis and insert the bottom yellow window, then tighten the screw down. Now install the top silver or yellow window and the pins on the chassis. Now that the window and chassis are installed, center your chassis on the machine. Now you're ready to hoop. Open your clamp, take your garment and backing of choice, and slide it into the window. Once you have it centered in the window, pull the material out to be nice and flat. And as always, make sure you do a trace. This protects both your machine and your clamp. And now you're good to sew. Once you're done sewing, open your clamp and remove your garment. Also, make sure you always close your clamp when you're not using it. And once you're done using your clamp, remove it from the machine. Thank you for watching this Hoop Tech How-To. Make sure to subscribe, like, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.